Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool ELMNT-BROL Part WP9760774. Whirlpool ELMNT-BROL Part WP9760774 is a replacement broil element for Whirlpool ovens. This part is made of metal and is used to heat the top of the oven. It has two terminals that connect to the oven's wiring harness. The element measures approximately 17.5 inches wide by 15.5 inches long and has a wattage rating of 3000 watts. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool models, including those with the prefix WFE, WFG, WFEA, WFGA, WFES, and WFGS. It is important to check your model number before ordering this part to ensure compatibility. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement broiler element for Whirlpool ovens. It is used to replace a worn or damaged broiler element and can help to fix symptoms such as the oven not heating properly, uneven heating, or the broiler not working at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing element from the appliance by unscrewing it from the back of the appliance. 3. Insert the new element into the appliance and secure it with screws. 4. Connect the wiring harness to the new element and secure it with a wire nut or other connector as necessary. 5. Turn on the power to the appliance at the circuit breaker and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.